Virgo, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of December is going to be for all of you, and you can use this for your sun, moon, rising, any of the zodiac that you follow. You can use it for any of the signs, and because I'm not taking out cards specifically for month wise, so you can use it for any of those. And looking at the cards, I'm not going to do the full-fledged video that I always do. I'm going to do a shorter one because of the job problem that I have, but at the same time I'm going to cover all aspects of your life. So the first two cards that I got here was, first card I got Death, and as a clarification card I got a King of Swords. Now I do feel that there is an energy of a fear, of some kind of fear in your life, and there might be that you might be fearful of addressing something, of addressing a problem, of looking at the issue, of finding out the truth of something, and you might be getting into that shadow energy where you are thinking the shadow to be very powerful, and you are actually being afraid of this shadow. Because if you see, this person is carrying a light and there is a shadow that is coming from inside, and the shadow looks like a skeleton, it looks like a death, but when she's removing this curtain there is a person behind it. So there is no death, there is no negative energy, there is no powerful energy that the person should be afraid of. So anything, and then the King of Swords kind of reaffirms that energy, that anything that you are being afraid of in your life, anything that you are afraid of to address, anything that you are afraid of to put your hand into or get into, know that you have this energy. You have the energy of eagle, you have the energy of phoenix, you have the energy of lion. So you have that energy, and that mix of energy gives you all the power in the universe to actually do whatever you have to, you take up whatever you have to. So in this aspect, one, I would say that in your career or in your relationship or in any other area of your life, if you've been fearful of taking any decision, take that decision, communicate clearly, say the things clearly, and you're going to see amazing results coming out of it. Second, in terms of if your career, there might be a possibility where you think that you will be asked to leave, or there will be some ending to your work, or something will not work out, so you might be fearful of taking some action. And as soon as you connect, or as soon as you express yourself or talk about it, you will figure out that your fear was unnecessary and everything is actually working out wonderfully well. In terms of your relationships, if there is a relationship which is problematic, which includes kind of molestation or physical or mental abuse, then it is time to take your sword high and actually end that relationship, cut those cords. And if there has been unnecessary fears around expressing yourself or talking about it, then talking is the solution. Talk it out. Also, energy wise, if there has been any kind of issue in terms of your growth, in your terms of your spiritual growth, and you've been scared of something, let go of that scare energy, because you have enough intellect, you have enough intuition, and you can actually believe in it and connect with any. So you can actually connect with your inner self, and you can use your abilities to actually bring about anything. In terms of your health, just ensure that if there is any health issue that comes up, don't keep on sitting on that health issue and keep thinking that this is something big, I don't know how to address it, should I address it, should I not address it. Address it immediately. It is going to be a very small minor thing, and you will be unnecessarily worrying yourself. In terms of baby birth or pregnancy or marriage, the cards are positive. Okay, so you don't have to be worried about anything. Number wise, this is number 13, which is 4, and this is number 14, which is 5. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So I do see that 9 energy here. And if you are fearful of anything, or you are fearful of taking any steps, 9 energy is that don't be fearful and take that step and move forward. And that's the energy of the month for you. The next card that I got is from Kali cards, and this is Durga Kalika, and it says, in unusually challenging situations, the ways we have supported ourselves during more ordinary times are insufficient. We need to open to divine inspiration, protection, and proceeding in new ways. Here is a portent of unexpected success. Now, even if everything appears to be going against you, the tide shall turn through divine grace. So absolutely, if there are situations that are challenging and that are problematic, which are going to be there is some challenges that I see. So if there are challenges or problematic situations, know that when you believe in yourself, when you take divine guidance, when you take divine strength, and when you believe in that, and when you actually follow that, the tide will be turned around completely, and everything will start working out in your favor. So just have faith and have trust and believe in yourself. The next card that I have is creative expression. This is from Life Purpose, and it says, your soul longs to express itself creatively. And I think that is one thing that you have to ensure this month. Express yourself creatively. creatively. That is your mental exercise also, that anything that you can do, any creative thing that you can engage your energy into, please engage your energy into it. It can be dance, it can be cooking, it can be cleaning, it can be singing, it can be painting, it can be anything under the sun. Even if you are a bathroom singer, that's absolutely perfect. But use your creativity, because creativity also helps you let go of the fear. And you also have the ability to paint a new picture. So anything that has ended or that has been problematic or scary or fearful, you have the ability to paint a new picture. So this month gives you a lot of potential to bring in changes. The last card that I have is from the Wisdom of Oracle, and it says to the sea, number 7, and it is the card going with the flow. And when you actually get into the sea, you will be fearful because you have no direction. The paper boat, it is the boat of paper, it might just drown. But when you actually let go of that fear and step into it, there is divine that guides you, and there is no fear. Then there is just a flow there. And this is number 7. I'm not giving you number 7 for the month, but I'm giving you number 9 for the month, for a reason, for the sheer reason that there is a fear and you have to get out of that fear and move forward. Number 7 also is like taking the stand, so you don't have to be stopping for anything. Now this card says to the sea, and essential meanings, it says being in the flow, returning to source, recognizing how pieces fit together, and a natural pattern of events. The oracle message says, isn't it wonderful when you feel yourself in the flow of life, when events and conditions seem to engage you in the way that is fluid and effortless. This card reminds you that going with the flow is exactly what you need to do right now. Ride on the wave of opportunity formed by perfect conditions. Allow trust and faith to guide you forward as you flow like a river into the sea of life. Next message that I have is relationship message, and it says there are points in a relationship when you have to decide to go with the flow rather than dictating the course you share with another. Can you let go of the need of have things your way and allow the relationship itself, your combined goals and desires, to steer the ship? Can you both transcend your personalities and allow the partnership to form its own new identity, its own energy? Now is the time to relax and see where this mutual journey leads. So in your relationship, if there is any kind of issue, like I said, if it is not acceptable, let go of it. If it is acceptable, then accept it and move with it. Message that I have is related to your career, and it says prosperity message. Everything seems to work out when you stop scrambling and allow the sea of opportunities to wash over you and wake you up to your highest potential. That's what it is. Yeah, most prosperous potential. To get into that flow, you need to address your beliefs about abundance and money. The true meaning of your personal currency lies in your skills, your talent and abilities, and most important, your core beliefs. Everything flows from your inner world and is reflected into the outer one. When grateful to serve, you align your prosperity consciousness with the higher consciousness. You can expect miracles. Everything you need will come out to you easily. So whatever you're needing, whatever you're expecting, if you creatively accept yourself, if you express yourself, if you believe in yourself, and if you let the flow be and not be afraid, everything is going to come out crystal clear in this month. And this month you can expect miracles in your life. Now, provided you follow what you have to follow. You follow the guidance. Number of the month, number 9. Color of the month, any color will be good for you, but specifically red, green and blue. Chakra of the month, there's number 7. I would say all 7 chakras are needed. This is just 5 minutes meditation. If you can do all chakra meditation, that will really help you wonderfully well. And mental exercise of the month, creative expression. So express yourself creatively. Do something to creatively express yourself. Remember, you are King of Swords this month, which means you have the intellect, you have the power, you have the authority, you have the abilities, and you have the strength. So believe in that, connect with divine, and don't let fear guide you in any way or misguide you in any way. Let the courage and divine guide you, and you will change the tide completely. And you can, if you want to know more than this, you can connect with me through your through the Facebook link or through comment section, and you can connect me with me for the personalized tarot reading. You just have to write that I need my reading. I will share my number, will take it forward from there. And also please follow these guidances, and if you can, please press the like button, makes the video searchable. And if you can share it with all other people, that I will be truly grateful. So share it if you can, and leave your feedback. That's important. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.